Hello everyone, Sunset2. Welcome to another install tutorial, this time on installing 20W45A with Fabric on Twitch. So, pretty much what you want to do is the vanilla launcher tutorial first before approaching this one, as it's going to require that for this sort of method or tutorial compared to Jumploader, which I don't think works yet for 1.17 snapshots. They'll probably only be working for 1.16.4 as of like the time I've made this video, but probably later on Jumploader will probably be another one that I do that pretty much will work on pre-releases or something like that when they're getting mod packs and other stuff and that for Fabric working on 1.17. But for now, I'm pretty much just going to do my sort of other approach besides the Jumploader one that requires a bit of the vanilla launcher to get things going, besides just put Jumploader in, put your mods in, done. So yeah, but obviously do this install tutorial first and then you can pretty much get started with this one. So once you've done that, you pretty much go to your said .minecraft location, however you go about doing it. And then you want to go to versions rather than mods or just .minecraft itself. But once you're there, you pretty much just take a particular file, which is this one here, and you pretty much take that from where said location is, you copy it, and then you paste it under the Twitch install in versions folder. The easiest way to get to this, after you've already got the file and copied it, is go open folder, and it'll take you to said instance. Then you want to go out, and then install, and then versions, and then paste it in here. That way you'll be good to go. Now, I don't think it should matter, but if you do, go and get the .fabric and .mixon.out that are already in the .minecraft folder. So you pretty much just notice those in the .minecraft folder at the very top, among everything else that's there, like mods, versions, configs, and every other type of folder and file that's necessary. Just grab these two and then copy them, and then paste them into the install folder as well, but obviously not in the versions folder. Just only paste them in the install folder because this is where most of the sort of important stuff happens that makes the launcher work, for Minecraft purposes at least. So, once you've done that, pretty much just download Fabric API, as well as any other mods that you want to, and then put them into the folder. The easiest way to obviously do that is just get them from CurseForge, for example. I don't have anything here, but if you just got them via mods and then so on, then you're good to go. And then from there, just paste them into said location. Obviously that's not it. Here we go. Just paste them into the said location for the instance, and you're good to go. As Jumploader basically, Twitch won't acknowledge anything for this version, even though for the most part they're technically on the 1.16 version until CurseForge has the 1.17 filtering for snapshots, which they'll eventually add over time, but at least for now they haven't. And snapshots don't appear in Twitch as an option when selecting things like so. Let's see, let's go create new profile, and you can see there's obviously only major versions. So yeah, so just put your mods in the mods folder and be fine. Don't try doing the whole get more content way, because you're not going to find anything until the major version, major release version appears. And then from there, just hit play now. And then once that happens, you'll see obviously in the launcher that it'll be showing the sort of Forge version there. Now if you're doing this with Jumploader, technically all you need is just the Forge version there and you'd be completely good to go. But what we want, since we can't technically do the Jumploader approach, is pretty much to change the version here all the way to something else, like this one here. Select it, and you'll be good to go. Now it's obviously best to just create your own, and I don't know if these usually stick still. They probably don't, I'm pretty sure, as I can tell though, because I'm having to select this again, whilst Forge part was there. It's easy just to go with like a no Forge mod loader part when setting it up this way, even though you don't have to have access to mod packs and other things this way. Whilst Jumploader you do, and it's more so close to release versions. But for now, at least, you've just got the ability to select version of the Fabric loader that we obviously just put into the versions install so on location, and it'll load up the game with Fabric installed for 20W45A and any other 117 snapshots, as long as you get a version that's pretty much going to work for that, that you've installed for the vanilla launcher, of course, for copying over. So we just launched this, because I've already tested it and it works before doing this tutorial. And as you can see, we've got mod menu, we've got it set up for said snapshots, we've got our mod that we want, and we'll just set up a new world, like so, just to test it out. So we already know mod menu works, so that means that it's definitely working, besides just Fabric being said that it's installed. We'll just check mode glass and see what happens there. Let's see if its blocks and everything else have also been loaded, but mostly mods like this do update to any snapshots or anything, so it was a good test. So it should definitely work. It's never been difficult to use it. So what do we got here? We've got glass, and we can see there's a bunch of slabs and a bunch of stairs. So we know that the mod has definitely been installed correctly, and obviously it'll just work as you expect. Glass stairs and glass slabs wood. So yeah, and that is it. Obviously I'll work on the Jumploader one when Jumploader is ready for later versions, but for now this is probably going to be the only way to get Twitch working, and it's the thing that I test just in case to see if it works every so often. And yeah. But obviously no mod packs or anything like that with this method anytime, but with Jumploader, of course, you'll be able to do that once it's eventually ready, and obviously more so around major version period. Thanks so much for watching though, and goodbye.